I got a very strange package. I wonder what's inside. Hey, look, here's a note. It says simple. Present? Simple? That was a good riddle, my friend. I guess today we'll talk about the present simple tense. We use present simple when we talk about our routines or things that we do on a regular basis. If there are time words like often, always, and sometimes, or expressions like every Sunday or twice a month, we use present simple. For example, I always wake up at 7 in the morning. We use present simple when something is generally or always true. For example, it snows in winter. Or it's hot in summer. We use present simple when a condition is permanent. For example, we live in London. Or my brother likes ice cream. Depending on the person, the present simple tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or es to the end. When we talk about something that I, we, you, and they do, we use the verb as it is. For example, eat. You eat pancakes every morning. Work. I work as a teacher. When we use he, she, and it, we add s or es to the end of the verb. We also add es to verbs that end with s, sh, ch, ch, x, and o. Let's look at some examples. Play. She plays the piano. Bark. It barks very loudly. Watch. He watches TV on Saturdays. These were all examples of the positive form. Now, let's have a look at the negative form. To form negative sentences, we use don't for I, we, you, and they, and doesn't for he, she, and it. For example, they like traveling. They don't like traveling. She speaks English. She doesn't speak English. Hey, what do you think? Enough about rules? I think it's time for a game show. Let's go! Welcome to the Grammar Game Show. I'm your host Joe, and here's how it's going to work. There are 5 rounds, and in each round, I'm going to say 2 sentences, and I want you to choose the correct sentence. So, without any further ado, let's jump right in. Round 1. You usually goes to school during the week? Or you usually go to school during the week? Let's start the timer. Well done! Round 2. Stephen does his homework after school? Or Steven do his homework after school? Let's start the timer. Good job! Round 3. We don't like to go for a walk. We doesn't like to go for a walk. Start the timer. Excellent! Round 4. Peter, Sam and Anna watch TV, or Peter, Sam and Anna watches TV. Start the timer. Well done! Round 5. They doesn't like to eat ice cream. It watches TV. He watches TV. Or Julia don't like to ride a bike. Let's start the timer. Haha, good job! You did such a great job today. I bet you got 5 out of 5. Until next time, I'll see you again, my friend. Goodbye.